Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we gonna present about our group project, Wanzar inventory and sales system, named WIS. First of all, I want to introduce all of our group member. First is me, Muhammad Kashaf bin Muhammad Nasir, and others members is Muhammad Aimin bin Nazlin, Muhammad Ismat bin Roslan, and Fatini Afiqah binti Muhammad Zaidi. Okay. Our system is a transformation of system from manual system into computerized system that is developed to ease the users of the system by creating a convenient system that is accessible anytime and anywhere. The name of the system is Wanzar Inventory and Sales System. Our objective is to make Wanzar Boutique to be more organized, efficient and systematic in managing inventory and recording sales. The report will provide detailed information on how the Wanzar Inventory and Sales System operated and explain the main functions included in the systems. The primary users of this system are administrators and staff members. So, our system objective for WIS. First, we want to optimize business processes. Second, we will reduce manual data entry and no more manual writing. Third, improve accuracy of stock records. Fourth, ensures users can access the system anytime and anywhere. Fifth, accessible via web browsers on both desktop and mobile devices. And lastly, we will provide real-time sales reporting for better decision making. So, I will explain the level 1 data flow diagram DFD for the Wanzar inventory and sales system. This DFD shows how data flows between the system and its two main users, the admin and the staff. First, let's look at the admin side. The admin interacts with the system in various ways, including managing product information and stock, handling user registration requests, updating their own profile, viewing and confirming sales record, and managing user and login details. The admin sends and receive data such as login credential, product and stock details, user requests, and sales information. Now, for the staff. Staff users can register and log in, view and update their profile, view stock information, submit and view sale reports, and get sales confirmation from the system. Staff also interact with the system using login credential, register details, sales data, profile updates. All this interaction go through the Wanzar inventory and sales system, which acts as the main platform to process, manage and store the information for both admin and staff. To conclude, this level 1 DFD gives us a clear overview of how data move within the system and how users interact with it. It helps us understand the system structure and functionality in a more organized way.
This is the entity relationship diagram for our system. It shows how the data is structured and how each table is connected. The user table stores login information and is linked to the role table to define access level. The employee table connects users to their work details. Products are organized under categories and linked to the both stock and sale, allowing us to track inventory change and sales record. This ERD helps ensure the database is organized and avoid duplication and support smooth inventory and sales management. This is the O data flow diagram for Wanzar inventory and sales system. It shows how the main process work and how data flow between the user, which are admin and staff, and the system itself. The diagram includes 8 core processes, which are registering user, login, managing user, product and stock, as well as recording sales, viewing report, and updating profile. Each process is connected to data store like user data, product data, stock data, and sales record. This represents where the data is saved in the system. This diagram helps us to understand how the user interact with the system and how the data move internally during different operations.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ismail bin Roslan, and today I will show how the system works. Before I jump into the front end, let me brief what happened behind the scene or how the data stored. We use phpMyAdmin to create a database and name it as with_db. The first table we got user table. All the user data will be stored here once they register. Next is role table. A role table defines two types of user. The first one is admin and the second one is staff. Next is product table. Product table store or save every detail of the product. Next is stock table. Stock table save the current stock of the product and reorder level. Last but not least, we got a sale table. Sale table save every sale record. That's it from the back end. Now let's move on to the front end. Now this is our system. Let's get started. Before you access to the system, you need to register first. Put a first and last name, username, email address, password, confirm password, and the important part is select a role or select a type, admin or staff. Since I already have an account, so let me just login in as admin. So this is admin dashboard look like. It will appear a dashboard. Never mind of this part because this is not very important. It just update a recent activity of the admin. Let's move on to the first module of the admin dashboard. So the user management, we can add user here. Let's say Rafiq Firdaus. The user we have Firdaus. Email here, password 123. Role we select staff and active. Here, Rafiq Firdaus. It will update here and also it will update in here. Rafiq Firdaus. Number ID 14. You can also edit any stuff here. Let's just edit Rafiq Firdaus since we just created. Username we add double S. Password 123. If you want to edit a user, you need put a password also. Don't leave it blank. You click update and we'll update here username S. Also here S. You can search also. It and search. We appear Afiq here. Then we can also delete. Successful. And Afiq Firdaus gone. Now let's move to the product management. In this part we can use we can add product. Let's say kurta. category men, price 20. Stock 1 is we sell for Muslim. It's Muslim. Don't have any picture here, so let's just leave it empty. We click sell product. Here it will update here, and also here kurta. We can edit product in here also. At WA update product. It will update here and here kurta. Let's search it. Yeah, kurta. Let's just remove it. Just a full and delete here. Now let's move on to view sale. This part not very much, just only for view or search, because record sale would come from staff. Since I already done it before, as you can see the date. So yeah, you can see the sale here. Next is manage stock. Since I already delete kurta, product kurta, so we choose Kematic. Product ID is 7. Enter your product ID. ID is 7. Product name is Kematic. Current stock number is 1. Serial number 5. You will have the here and also here. Kematic 1, 5. So if you update the stock, just enter new stock for Kematic. You put 7, for example. So you update here and also update here. If you want to remove it, just click remove. It will disappear here, also disappear here. Now the last one is setting. Setting is basically edit profile of the user. So the current password of my account is 124. I want to change into 125. 125. It is successful. So we try it. It's better. 125. Yeah, it worked. Thank you very much. That's all from admin part. Now I will pass to my other group members to explain about staff dashboard.
So hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Ali bin Nazdin and I'm going to present about the staff dashboard. So I've created my own account under staff. I'm gonna put in my password and username, which is right here. This is my staff account. So if I click on staff, get started, it will direct me to the staff dashboard page. So obviously staff, we have less features compared to admin. We have dashboard, manage stock and record sales. So for dashboard, it displays the number of products, today's sales, the new stock that have been restocked, and the total sales that have been generated when. Next, we can manage stock. Unlike admin, they can add stock, delete stock, and edit stock. So if I want to add a new stock, I just put the new product ID, the new name of the new product, and the current stock, like say 15, radio level we're going to put at 4. And they have been updated here, which means it's going to be updated in PHP MyAdmin 2, which is this one. So next, let's say for record sales, for every purchase that a customer have been made, you can obviously the staff need to record the sales for today. Let's say the new product that have been purchased today, say we have made 3 sales today, and select the date today, record sales, and it's gonna update here. Not only it will update here, but it will update on the in the staff dashboard too. And if I click here, it will update in PHP MyAdmin. And finally, we have the logout page. That's all for me. Thank you.
In conclusion, we successfully developed Wanzar inventory and sales system, transforming from manual system into a functional web-based system. It helps staff and admin to manage inventory and sales more efficiently, reduce data redundancy, and improve data accuracy. We use tools like HTML, PHP, SQL, and XAMPP, and apply FDD, DFD, and ERD diagram during the design process. This project taught us a valuable lesson in teamwork, communication, and problem solving. Despite the challenge, we stay committed and complete the system successfully.